in video description I have provided the link to download free practice model. Please subscribe to this channel. Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to add the attachment features to this bezel part. So in previous video we have seen the how to create the closed volume for this part from A surface to B surface generation. Already I have created one boss for the bezel using power copy. I have created and already I have created the axis system for this screw boss features. So just I am pulling the screw boss feature into the bezel part. If you want to know how to do the power copy, in video description I have added the power copy video link. If you want you can cross check it, and there I have explained how to do the power copy. What are the inputs we have given to the power copy? We need to follow the same inputs. So our feature was created here. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same feature using the axis to axis transformation. I will pull all these feature into 4 locations. If you want you can have it individual editable part. You can pull only the power copy feature so that you can edit it later on individually. So I'm just copy pasting with the special. So if I want to modify anything on the screw bars, so first body if I update, automatically it will update on the all the 4 parts, all 4 the features. If you have different dimensions you can use the power copy so that you can edit it individually. So in this part it is not required, so that is the reason I'm using one editable parameter feature. Remaining all are like doing with the axis transformation. I'm doing axis to axis transformation. So in automotive trims, mostly attachments we will use metal clips and screw bosses. So attachment strategy we need to follow as per the trim part design. So design rule, what about the distance of the attachments? You can get it from your design rule. Minimum from the part starting before it is having the 25 mm, we need to have one attachment, then only the part will be looks good. It don't have any aesthetic issues. So here we are going to have the screw bars on all the four corners. Why this small part having more attachment is because it is on the user interface area, like it will have more contact with the hand of the passenger. They are inserting the cup into the holder, and they will, when they are trying to pull it, they will push this bezel and they will try to pull the part if it is hard. So that is the reason more attachment is added in this part. So these attachment strategies will be given from the CAE team. So initially you can add some of the attachment features. Once they have done the CAE analysis according to the report, we need to update the features. So it will only decide the number of attachments. So just I'm reducing the height. So the bars is actually, it was coming out of the part. So the screw bar size roughly I have created. It is a parametric one, so that according to your part feature, according to your requirement standards, you can update it. So now it is bigger. Later on I will reduce it. According to your part standard, you can maintain it, since it is a editable feature. So next we are going to have the metal clip attachment. For that one, already in previous video we have seen how to create the clip tower. That video link also I will add it in the description. So using the same method of power copy, I will pull the metal clip tower and I will add it into the bezel part. Next video we will see how to do the parting line for this part. So because of coordinate points, it is easily controllable. So that is the reason we are creating the points and finally changing into coordinates. So whenever you are getting an input from CAE team, they will give only coordinate value for the part, so that it will be easy for you to update the points, and finally your attachment feature will be updated as per the CAE report. So whenever you are creating the feature, just link the feature with the help of point, so that it is easy to update. So in previous video we have seen how to create the V surface using the master section. Now I am just updating the screw bar size as per my requirement. Actually it was big in size, so just reducing it. If you want, you can update according to your mating part size and according to your design standards. Next we will see the clip tower attachment. So already I have created the clip tower using the power copy. I am pulling that into this bezel part. If you want how I have done this clip tower, I will add that video link in the description. You can check that video. Already I have created the axis system on all four areas. Same I am going to follow like how I have done for the screw bars. I am just doing the axis to axis transformation. Already I have created this axis. Selecting that axis. I am going to add all this clip into this body and finally do the trim. So the power copied body having some issue to add into the part. So I'm going to add separately in one body and finally I will add this one. adding all the screw bars into one body so that it will be easy to have the trim. So in previous video we have created the B surface by using the master section. So for the edge flanges we have used the master section. Why this part is containing this many attachment is because it is having a contact with the passenger while inserting the cup, and while pulling the cup they will handle this vessel part. I have added all this one. Just I'm going to trim these features in the main vessel body, and in next video we will see the parting line creation for this part. Already we have created the tooling direction for the edge surface itself. We are going to follow the same tooling direction and we are going to create the parting line for this part. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, add your comments. Please subscribe to this channel. If you want to see any part creation, just ping me the part name in the comment so that we can create one video to in detail to discuss about the part. In video description I have provided the link to download free practice model. Please subscribe to this channel.